everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at South Shore Pond, the trout pond in Camanche Lake. Water level is pretty low right now. I guess they're not feeding any water into this little pond, so pretty low from previous times I've been here. So don't know how the trout bite is going to be. So if all else fails for trout fishing, probably gonna do some bass fishing. If I don't get no bites, I'm gonna walk around the pond first, see if I see anything, and then maybe go to the lake, go try some bass fishing or try a different spot. But today we'll hopefully see what we can catch. Thank you guys for tuning in again. Really appreciate all the views, all the support, all the likes. Really means a lot. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it a shot, see what I can catch, if I can catch something here. If not, move to the main lake, not too far from here. So with that, let's get this fishing adventure started. Jake, spit it. You spit it. Nope. A pounder. 1 pounder. Saw quite a few earlier. Like fish jumping everywhere. Must be busting up on bait. Trick one. Nice one. Small circle hook. Wet this one. I'm gonna set that hook. I'm gonna try something. See some fish blowing up over here. They are chasing fish. Small school of bass right there. Small ones though. Fish number 2. Woohoo! I think the evening bite's better. Nice little 1 pounder right here. Just that. Yay. Okay. I'm down, dude.
Alright, another dink for the books. Been a rough day of fishing, so number 2 of the day. Fish number 2 on the drop shot. Very slow day of fishing. Been fishing all day, guys. Don't know if I caught that other one. I guess I'll review the footage. Make it a little shorter now. Right across that grass over there. I mean, there's an opening, which is nice. Drop shot. Slow day of fishing. That's better. That's where I was originally. Guess afternoon bite's better. They're buying it. There we go. Aha. Shook him. Shook him. Drop shots where it's at, I guess. Fish number 3. Drop shot. There we go. Bigger one. Nice. Definitely 12-incher. Slightly bigger than the previous one. Nice largie. Alright. Fish number 3. Nice afternoon bite's better than the morning bite. Sweet. Make one more cast in there. See if anybody else is home. Long day. That's the tricky part with drop shot though. Takes time. Let's cast. Along there if I can make it. Sorry, not bad. No. Funky bite. I just got hung up on grass.